What's good, YouTube? I am sharing my down day, mainly as a reminder to myself as to why I'm not worried about this. Um, oh, you know, obviously it's not where we want to be. We want to be over 10K. We want to be over 11, 12. I want to be at 100K. But yeah, why are we down, right? Because the market goes up and down. So some days are just going to be worse than others, and it's like, why are we down? So for me, some of my gold options, gold has sort of come down in the past couple days. See, but it's gold. It always comes down, and yeah. So I think we're going to be in a zigzag pattern, just because of the power of crypto, because of the S&P going up, basically stocks getting stronger, gold comes down a little bit, people sell out of gold and put it into the growing market. That's sort of, it exists as a hedge almost. So I'm starting to think maybe I should do more of a Iron Condor situation on gold, or just not even waste my time, waste my capital on gold. But anyway, so crypto is also down. This is set for today's return. But if you zoom out, total percent change. I'm still up on Doge. I'm still up on Bitcoin. Pepe is kind of just for funsies anyway. Who cares? So you can see my actual holdings here have come down a little bit, but it's, again, expected. So what does it mean when the market comes down? What's the strategy? Well, that's when you buy. So I bought another share of Misty. And then I had a limit order to buy more that also got triggered. So now I have 3 shares of Misty. I'm just trying to buy up small pieces here and there. And then the UVIX, which is very cheap. I bought more of that at a lower price, and it brought my overall average cost down. So yeah, sure, I'm at a loss right now, but that's the whole point of having the VIX, is that it exists as a hedge when the SPY, or the S&P 500, comes down. And right now it's on a pretty clear uptrend. Let me see. Here we go. But, it might be mean reverting, and that's normal. That's what you would expect. Even when it's on a clear bull run, before the election, it still had down days. But it's the S&P 500, so it will always return to an upward trajectory. And as long as you use these down moments as a opportunity to buy, then you're going to be on the right side of the market. Walgreens is coming down. So if you don't know about what I'm doing here, I have 300 shares, and I have covered calls on all 3 of them at 850 and 9. And so yesterday, this was a really negative position for me, because covered call looks like it's going to get, all 3 are going to get called away, but then it drops back down. So that's another mean reversion, like I was talking about, that I just don't have that much faith in Walgreens. That's why I have such close in the money positions, and trying to get out of most of those shares so I can put them into stronger performers like YMAG, YMAX, Coney, or Misty. And then obviously JEPQ is my long-term play, but I haven't reached my goals on the yieldmax 4 that I'm trying to build up. I want to get to 300 YMAG. I want to get to 200 YMAX. I don't know how much Coney I want. I think 200 or 300, and then 100 of Misty. And I'm hoping with that I can start to build. And then I'm also going to have some capital I can use on the SPY VIX strategy, which has been really good, and gold is just costing me a lot right now. So I'm just going to hold. That's what I did last time this happened, when gold was dropping here. I just held on, and then I sold them off here and made a few new positions, and I think I'm just going to abandon gold right now. I don't like Iron Condors. Historically not awesome for me. I used to think too much of them, I think, and I just couldn't handle the red days. So I like the green days. I like these. I like the Vix'n SPY. It's incredibly solid. When the VIX goes down, you buy it. When these SPY positions go down, the VIX positions go up and you sell them. So you basically turn a profit continuously. So I'm just going to maybe stick to that, get rid of all these other things, and then just stick money into these high performers up here. And then have the Vix'n SPY. But I'm not there yet. It's probably going to take a few more weeks, maybe in December. But it's the holidays. Everything's going to slow down. So keep it up, y'all. Peace out.